Okay everyone, this is a quick video walking you through how to combine like terms. Something you'll notice with combining like terms is that the algebra tiles kind of help remind you how you can and how you can't do it. So for instance, as we talked about on Monday, you have single tiles that are like 1 tiles, you have x tiles, and you have x squared tiles. One of the big points of the algebra tiles is that these are not the same. That the 1 tiles, the x squared tiles are not the same. If you had 2 x tiles, you could kind of combine those. If you had 2 single tiles, you can combine those. But since these 3 are all different, you cannot combine them. And that applies to our algebraic representations as well. So for this problem, we have a 5x and we have a 6x. Those we can put together because they have the same variable, the same exponent. So 5 and 6 together would be 11. Again, I can't put that together with this one because this one's not just an x, it's an x squared. 2 other things I can put together here is a 6 and a -2. You want to remember that the sign always goes with the number after it. So this isn't 2, it's actually -2. 6 and -2 together would be 4. And then all I have left is the -5x squared, which cannot be combined with any of them. So again, you can see x tiles, single tiles, x squared tiles, just like up here, you can't put those together because they're not the same. You can't count them together. Same thing with the next one. Looking at things that we can put together. Okay, so it's got to be the same kind of variable. So I have a 2x squared. That cannot go together with a 3x because it's not the same, but it can go together with an x squared. And it can go together with a -3x squared. Now in this one, even though they're x squareds, it's the same idea. It's just as if you were saying 2 plus 1 plus -3 or 2 plus 1 minus 3. You'll notice in both of those examples, you're actually going to get 0. So these 3 terms are actually going to cancel each other out. Then I have a 3x and a 4x. 3 and 4 together equals 7x. And finally, I have a +2. And again, I can't put that together with anything else because the x tiles and the single tiles are not the same.